Thunderstorm moving into Pontiac. This storm is warned. 60-mile-per-hour winds expected. Moving in about 40 miles per hour. Warning goes out till 3:15 p.m. We're just getting the front of it right now. Whoa, what was that? Is that a branch? Oh, a branch just fell on the house. And it's awfully windy, and it's going to get windier here. That's probably our first 60-mile-per-hour wind gust right there. Alright, here comes the cool down direct winds. You can definitely feel them now. I better stand back. We've been having a lot of severe weather here lately. I know the trees are definitely swaying back and forth. Run inside real quick in my weather scanner. I'll get right back outside. Oops, sorry. No. Let's go get it. Here it is.
Forward, Livingston, McLean, Woodford, and Marshall County.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Iroquois County and east central Illinois, northwestern Benton County and northwest Indiana, southern Newton County and northwest Indiana until 4 o'clock p.m. or 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 2:58 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour. Or 7 miles northeast of Claytonville and moving east-northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Stockland, Dunnington, Freeland Park, Rob Fowler,
Barely raining at all.
Milford, Goodland, and Earl Park. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, heavy lightning, and very heavy rain. For your